The Odisha government is stepping up preparations as it braces for the impact of the very severe cyclonic storm, which is expected to make landfall tomorrow. Very heavy rain forecast in southern Odisha. 15 units of the NDRF and 10 teams of the Odisha's disaster response force have been deployed. Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik urged Defence Minister Arun Jaitley to issue standing instructions to forces, particularly the Air Force, to remain ready. The state has also asked for additional satellite phones as telecom links are likely to be affected. Authorities are looking to carry out evacuation from 5 Odisha districts today, but several people are reluctant to leave.
The cyclone Hadad is expected to landfall near Vizag, means around Vizag, on 12th of October by forenoon. So the expected wind speed at that point of time is around 150 to 180 km per hour. So because the exact location of landfall is yet to be received, we have alerted all the vulnerable villages. We are starting around 40 relief centers, which is manned by senior level officers. We have 6 teams, each team consisting of 40 people of NDRF teams already stationed at Vizag in different places. Similarly, we have one state disaster response force team.
Well, the situation across the Odisha coast is this. It is already starting to rain here. The clouds look very, very dark. So in the next 24 hours, it will only get worse here, is what the weather department is saying, and what these locals are also saying, people who live here, who have lived here for a lot of time. This is the Bada Aryapalli village. This is a village of fishermen. Last year during Phylon, all of them had evacuated just a day before the cyclone actually hit. Even this time, it seems they will have to go out of these villages to relief shelters. We have a lot of people over here. आपका नाम क्या है?
रिया साहब।
ये बताओ कि कितना दिन से आप लोग नहीं जा पाए इसमें सी में?
4-5 दिन हो गया।
4-5 दिन से नहीं जा पाए। तो आप लोग तो सब लोग फिशरमैन हैं?
हाँ, सब फिशरमैन हैं।
तो ये बोलिए, अभी तक सरकार का कोई आदमी आके आपको बोला बाहर जाने के लिए, या आज आप लोग जाएंगे?
कोई नहीं आया। कल साइक्लोन बिल्डिंग का एक मिनिस्टर आया, वो भी आके चला गया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोल के।
अच्छा, तो अभी आपको लगता है जो हालत हो रखा है और जो वेदर डिपार्टमेंट प्रेडिक्ट किया है, आप लोग अपने आप बाहर जाएगा आज, कहीं रिलीफ शेल्टर में जाएगा, या अभी इधर ही रहने का सोचा है?
इधर ही रहने का है। अच्छा, इधर रहने, कहीं जाने का नहीं है। तो कहीं जाएगा तो कुछ सुविधा मिलता नहीं है ना।
सरकार तो बोल रहा है सुविधा देगा अगर आप लोग
जाएगा। अभी देगा, बोलता है पहले पायलिन का गया, कुछ प्रॉब्लम, बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है। इधर रहने से भी अच्छा है, उधर जाने की कुछ प्रॉब्लम है।
तो 5 दिन से मछली भी नहीं पकड़ पाया आप लोग?
5 दिन से नहीं पकड़ा, मगर हुड़ आ जाएगा ना, उसका 2 महीना 3 महीना हो जाएगा, मछली नहीं पकड़ेगा, डंगा रहेगा नहीं रहेगा, सब टूट जाएगा।
The cyclone warning in North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha coast as Hudhud, which became a very severe cyclonic storm, is moving over west central Bay of Bengal and has moved northwards. Hudhud is predicted to strengthen to Category 4 cyclone with wind speeds of 155 kilometers per hour before landfall around Vishakhapatnam tomorrow afternoon. Extremely heavy rain is expected over East Godavari, Vishakhapatnam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam districts of North Coastal Andhra. Let's go across to Uma Sudhir, who joins us from Vizag. Uma, good morning. What's it looking like there?
Kulsum, in fact, this is where Cyclone Hudhud is expected to cross tomorrow in the morning, but things are looking pretty normal here. In fact, except for an overcast sky, everything else is pretty normal. In fact, we just landed here a short while ago, a little turbulent in the air, but otherwise not so bad really. About 4.5 lakh people had to be evacuated to about 392 rescue centers from about 500 villages. The areas that we are looking at right now is in fact the coastal districts of North Andhra Pradesh, and we are talking about Vishakhapatnam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam, from where they are planning to evacuate people. East and West Godavari, it's not so much the cyclone but the rains that could cause flooding, and that's something that the authorities are certainly worried about, concerned about. Evacuation has not yet begun. It's likely to begin today when they know more accurately where exactly the cyclone is going to strike. That's when they'll start moving, because one, there will be resistance when the weather still looks very normal, and they don't want a false alarm, because in Andhra Pradesh there are cyclic yearly occurrences of cyclones, and if there is a false alarm, the next time round people don't move even when they are given those kind of warning signals. One more just point about the satellite phones. They are expecting that communication lines will not be cut off, because there are about 14 ISAT phones lines that they are going to be using across the districts, and they are certainly wanting to cut off power to ensure that other kind of accidents don't happen, Kulsum.